हेलो वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ दिस एआई सीरीज। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रिकरेंट न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स आरएनएन्स। आइए हम देखते हैं। So first thing first, what are RNNs? Well, think of them as the rock stars of sequential data processing. Unlike traditional neural networks, RNNs have loops in them, allowing them to persist information over time. This makes them perfect for analyzing sequences of data such as time series, speech, text, and more. Applications of RNNs. Now let's talk applications. RNNs are widely used in natural language processing, tasks like language translation, sentiment analysis, and text generation. They are also super handy in speech recognition where they can understand and transcribe spoken words with impressive accuracy. Challenges, challenges and future directions. Of course, RNNs aren't without their challenges. They can struggle with capturing long-term dependencies in data, leading to what is known as the vanishing gradient problem. However, researchers are constantly working on new architectures and techniques to overcome these limitations and unlock even more potential in RNNs. And there you have it, a brief glimpse into the world of recurrent neural networks. From text analysis to speech recognition, these powerful models are revolutionizing the way we process and understand sequential data. Stay tuned for more AI insights in our next video. Thank you. That's it for today. Happy coding.